I would like to thank Dheerajji, Gauravji and the entire KSL team for successfully implementing a 294 kWp plant. So on the stage of finalizing the plant, one thing that made them stand separate was that they guided us well. Some vendors who wanted to take the orders, they misguided us, they gave us wrong specifications, they gave us inferior products. But when confronted to KSL, they showed us as to what is right for us based on facts, and even made us talk to leaders of different companies who told us, who guided us as to what should be done. So on terms of punctuality, commitment and professionalism, KSL is a perfect 10. Just 2 months back, they had implemented a plan, and we, after seeing the performance and what they said, we are receiving that benefits. And right now, we even given order for a second plant, and hopefully within a month or two, that will be implemented as well. So I'm pretty sure in the near future, KSL is going to be one of the biggest names when it comes to solar power plants. Congratulations to you.